Hey guys, welcome to XL Air Systems. Today we're going to take you through a 3D room design. As you can see on this picture, there's 2 flower rooms, a veg room, a processing room, and a dry cure. In this setup here, in the flower room 1 and flower room 2, this customer has roughly around 25,000 watts of lighting inside the space and probably about 5,000 watts of utilities, wall fans, odor eliminators, stuff like that, dehums in their space. In flower room 1, we've got 2 5-ton systems, and they've got 30-foot fabric ducts, as you can see in the blue. These systems will cover 15,000 watts each, so combined we've got 30K coverage inside each one of the flower rooms. With the air handler here, we have them positioned against the wall, so we can actually move them to any place inside the room, and we can turn them depending on if the customer wanted this one completely down the middle of the room. We can easily adjust it and give them the visual aspect of what it would look like inside the space. So literally we can take your building and your design or your house or your space and do a 3D rendering of it and literally show you what it would be like to be inside each one of the rooms. Take this veg room for instance, we can get right in there and see what's going on in all 4 corners of the room. This room isn't a full square, we've got a little L nook, but our airflow can actually be thrown 12 feet out of each side of each fabric duct. So the air generally will come out at 4 and 8 o'clock, so 8 o'clock on this, 4 o'clock on that side, and it's got a 12-foot throw. The holes on the fabric ducting are laser cut. It gives you the most even airflow, and these ducts are engineered for the CFM coming out of the system. So the 5-ton does 3,400, which is a little under double than any other system on the market. So we have tons of airflow, and out of our 2-ton we have 2,400 CFM. So pretty awesome systems that give off a lot of airflow, and then with the custom fabric ducting, it just makes it a great combo package to have inside your space. Over here in this cool setup here, this is the dry cure room. So the dry cure setup, we've engineered a 2-ton air handler, and we've got return air at the very back here, where all the air that comes out of the ducts gets sucked down to the lowest part of the room and back into the ducting. All of the fabric ducting used in this setup, the outside is what you call sonic flow, and it's the exact same type of airflow that's coming out of all of our other systems in the veg room and the flower rooms. This middle duct here is called microflow or micro mesh, and they use it in pill factories so it doesn't blow any dust around, and there's no airflow that's going to directly affect the product. So the way this room is designed to have all the air come out of the ducts and bounce off the walls and off the floor and back up into all these racks. None of the air is actually going to blow directly onto any of the product on any of these shelves. It's all going to be around the product and working its way through each one of these levels, being pulled back to the return air down here at the floor level. The dry cure is a new thing which growers have now realized they can pull out a lot of extra terpenes, cannabinoids, and flavors with the longer you can dry cure. So we always recommend a 10 to 14 day dry cure cycle, which will guarantee the best end product once it comes out. Our room designs, we can get highly technical. We can change things around and put things down walls to maximize your area above the grow space for the lighting, keep the systems out of the way, or we can run each system right down an aisleway of lights, and it makes just setting up your project and ensuring you've got the top-notch environmental control that you're looking for any solution.